Right back here with our Veracity update. All right, we have had a nice little run here. Okay, so we're going to take a look at this chart and see what could be going on here next with this thing. We're up about we were up at one point about 18% for the week. So nice little pump here. Okay, we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna zoom in here and see what's going on next here. All right, we got the crypto bubbles on the daily here. See Gala up 4.7. We don't have Veracity on here, but we can pull it up right down here. There we go. Right there for the hour, we're up 0.4%. For the week, we're up 6.9. All right, for the year, we're down 21%. Okay, but that's normal. Almost all cryptos are that way. Cost by this thing has just been a monster. Look at the yearly on this thing. 8,294%. Thing has just been a beast. All right, let's move on here. Okay, we're gonna take a real fast look at Bitcoin because we know that is what runs everything here. Okay, and we're gonna get right back to this chart because it's very important to look at this. All right, if we zoom out here on the weekly, you can see clearly Bitcoin is still in an uptrend. All right through here. All right, we had this high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low. We got the higher high. Okay, so far we have the higher low coming in, so we're perfectly fine with that. All right, and if you guys are interested, I have a level 3 in my membership where I'm starting to put videos out. I'm going to put 1 or 2 out a week on learning how to trade, learning how to draw trend lines, read the charts, use Fibonacci's, look for areas for pullbacks like this here. You get your 618 or 702 as your normal area. This bounced right between the 618 702 and took off. Gonna teach you everything I know in there, level 3 in membership. Okay, and if you're just interested in just becoming a member, it's only 99 cents a month, and would help me out tremendously. So if you would, just hitting the like and subscribe helps out a lot, guys. I'm just a little YouTuber, so every little bit helps. Okay. You got the weekly RSI at 59 to 61, just barely bearish. All right, the monthly's bullish, 92 and an 87, and we got that daily RSI down here, just about reset. Okay, so Bitcoin could be finally ready to do this. We got a 12-hour green candle. All right, starting right there. We got an 8-hour green candle, and this thing is trying to flip up. We also got a 4-hour green candle, and that RSI is just reset. All right, you can see this resistance line right here coming through here that this thing needs to bust out of. So it'd be great to see that. Now let's go to Veracity here. All right, that's what you're here for, so let's get a look at it. I got the 4-hour RSI coming down. Now first thing is first. All right, now if we zoom, we take and put a trend line on this thing. Okay, you want to keep, it's the first thing you always want to keep track of. The trend is your friend, they say. Okay, with these things, obviously you want to keep track of where this price is heading. All right, we have this thing bounced around a lot, but that's pretty decent. It got rejected right there. This trend followed this price action right up here. Okay, bouncing off it, bouncing off it. Now it fell through it. It came back, it retested it right here as resistance. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. We got the 4-hour coming down. All right, we got the daily getting near the top. All right, so it's still bullish at 190. The big one is right here. Look at that weekly. It's at a 31 and a 28. So that's huge. You want that weekly heading up. That's the big one right there. All right, we got the 8-hour, still bullish, a 71 and a 74. 4-hour, like I said, just about reset. Now here's where we're going to take a look here. The 1-hour is heading up. All right, now if we take a look at this thing, all right, and we're going to put a Fibonacci on here. All right, and take a look. Now the most common area for a coin to come to, all right, this would be the A leg right here. You got that B that came up to this 702 right there. All right, so right here we're going to have a C leg coming in here. All right, where's this going to go? Right on top of there would bring us right down to 0.00436, right around this area here. It's 0.00435, 436. All right, that's where I would expect this thing to stop and get a bounce from there. So we have an A, a B, and a C coming in. So, but we got that 1 hour reset. This thing is probably going to run back up here again and then roll over from there. All right, but we got these higher time frames. The 4 is still coming down. The 8 is up here, it's up at the top. Okay, the 12 is coming down. All right, so expect an ABC to be coming in here. That's not the major, perfectly normal, and then we should get a bounce from there. All right, guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I would appreciate that so very much. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just what I see going on in the market. It's just my opinion. Okay, so please don't go wager your house or anything on anything that I say. Please seek professional advice with your money and just be reasonable. Do your own research. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great night.